Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your iPhone, for some reason, keeps giving you this little pop-up where it keeps saying account not in the store. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I would recommend doing, that is recommended by pretty much everyone, is to actually make your way over to your settings account just like this. And you want to go ahead and click on your name up here. Now, you will have to pretty much have the username, email, or the password associated, actually all three of those things, for your specific account. So what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way past everything and you want to click sign out down here. So now it's going to tell you to type in the password. You want to go ahead and type in everything here, and then you want to click turn off. Now once you do that, everything here will be deleted, and all you have to do at this point is scroll back out here and you want to click up here to pretty much sign back in. So you have to type in the password and the username again, or the email, and then at that point all you have to do is pretty much just wait it out until you log back in. And then once you're logged in, all you have to do is go ahead and go back into your app store, and you want to go ahead and try downloading that application again. I'm going to be honest, a majority of the time, this will probably fix it for you, and that's really all you have to do. Now, if you're getting a little error where it says something like the US store or UK store or something like that, you may have to change your region on your iPhone. So in order to do this, what you want to do is you want to go back into your settings account like this. You'll come into a panel that looks like this. You want to go and click on general like this. You want to scroll down and you want to go and click on date and time, which is right here. And you want to go ahead and either you can set it to automatically or you can go ahead and change it manually. And what I would recommend doing is make sure this is set to automatically. If you're trying to be in a different region than where you are now, it may not work out properly and you may end up having just a couple of issues here and there. So I'd recommend doing is setting that to automatically and then going ahead and seeing if any, and then going back into your app store like this and seeing if that issue persists. If it does, the next thing I would recommend doing is to actually go back into your settings app just like so, scroll back out until you're back here, and then you want to go back into general. And then you want to go and click on software update, which is up here, and you want to see if there is an update available for your iPhone. I'm going to be honest, a majority of the time, you are probably going to be able to see that there is an update available for your device. So all you have to do is go and click download and install, and that device will go, or that install will go ahead and start installing on your iPhone. And then at that point, you're just going to have to wait it out until it's actually fully installed. Once it's installed, you want to go back into your app store and see if it's downloaded, see if it moves on from there. If the app is still not being able to be downloaded, I would recommend contacting Apple and then having them pretty much troubleshoot it for you. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.